cardinal, or in Latin, Cardinalis cardinalis, is a brilliant red bird that is descended from genus Cardinalis and Cardinalidae family. It consists of passerine birds, or more known as songbirds, found in the regions of the North and South of America. They were one of the many species that were mentioned and described in a famous aviary journal, or more preferred as the Systema Naturae in the 10th edition, published by Carl Linnaeus in 1758. The name can be originated back to the cardinals of the Roman Catholic Church, as their trademark traditional attire consists of a distinctive red cape and robes. The term northern in the common name itself refers to its territorial range, as it is the northernmost cardinal species. In other common terms, we may know them as red cardinals, common cardinal, or red birds. Over the course of history itself, the northern cardinals are spread throughout the majority of the eastern United States, from the southern half region, extending all the way to the provinces of Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala, usually inhabiting regions that included woodlands, gardens, shrubs, and wetlands. The northern cardinal is also known as a territorial songbird. Usually, when male birds are provoked, they will do the best they can to defend their territory, but even chase off and may mistake its image of other males and reflective surfaces, and will fight it off relentlessly. Its physical appearance, however, is seen to have a mid-sized body ranging of 21 to 23 centimeters, a wingspan of 25 to 31 centimeters, and an average adult weighs in around 33.6 grams, marked with a distinctive crest around the head and a mask on its face. Now, in order to differentiate the male and the female red cardinals, would be seen from their physicality. Male cardinals are slightly larger than the females, consisting of a brilliant crimson red color and a black face mask over the eyes, extending towards the upper chest and even having a duller and darker back and wings. Female cardinals, in the other hand, are fawn, with gray face mask along with a mostly grayish and brown tones and a slight reddish olive around the wings, chest, and tail feathers. They are mostly granivorous, but their diet is 90% consisting of weed seeds, insects, fruits, and the such. Now, in symbolism, many people believe that a sighting of a red cardinal can be a sign of good luck, loyalty, or even a spiritual message. Even in American folklore, that they state, if a cardinal is seen, it is believed that an individual will have a good luck within 12 days of sightings. They are also incredibly loyal. They mate for life and develop a close bond with their young even before their eggs are hatched. Furthermore, they are also preyed upon a wider variety of predators that is native to North America, including falcons, accipiter hawks, shrikes, bald eagles, and several owls. Other than so, the northern cardinal can be also found in the residential areas. Backyard birders attracted by using feeders containing seeds, particularly in sunflowers. In the United States, this species receives special legal protection under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918, which also banned their sale of cage birds. It is also protected by the Convention for the Protection of Migratory Birds in Canada. Therefore, the northern cardinals are incredibly fascinating birds that have such brilliance in both color and intelligence. Even though they are rare in sighting in the northern hemisphere, nonetheless,